Hello student, this is Chunarkar sir and we are going to learn today simple complex and compound sentences part 3. In this part today we learn what is compound sentence. Students, in our last class we learned about how to make complex sentence. Today we go with how to make the compound sentence. See, a compound sentence contains two independent clauses that are joined together. See, two independent clauses here. In the example, he opened the door, and in the second, ran away. He ran away. What is there? Ran away. This he opened the door is an independent clause. Likewise, he ran away is also an independent clause. When two independent clauses are connected with a conjunction, then it is called a compound sentence. And a conjunction which is used to connect such type of two clauses is called coordinating conjunction. See, in the complex sentence, there is one main clause and one subordinate clause. And when it is a compound sentence, both are main clause, main or independent. We call a main clause or an independent clause. So, in a compound type of sentence, there are two independent clauses and these two independent clauses are connected with a conjunction. So, we form a compound sentence. कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्सला मराठीत संयुक्त वाक्य असे म्हणतात. म्हणजे दोन मुख्य जे क्लॉज आहेत, मेन क्लॉज आपण ज्यांना म्हणतो, त्या मुख्य वाक्यांना दोन वाक्यांना कनेक्ट करून ज्या एका कनेक्टरद्वारे ज्यांना कनेक्ट केल्या जाते आणि दोन वाक्यां फॉर्म करून एक जोडवाक्य बनवले जाते, अशा वाक्याला संयुक्त वाक्य असे म्हणतात. See, you can make a compound sentence by joining two logically related independent clause by using a coordinate conjunction. म्हणजे जे coordinate conjunction आहे, जसं या दोन वाक्याला जोडण्यासाठी आपण बटचा वापर केलेला आहे. तर हे जे बट आहे हे काय आहे? coordinate conjunction, because it is joining two different sentences, two main clauses. उदाहरणार्थ आपण बघूया, she works in the city. She works in the city is an independent clause. She works in a city, but she lives in the suburbs. But she lives in the suburbs. तर she works in the city हे एक वाक्य आहे and it is a main clause कारण की ती दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही वाक्यावर डिपेंड नाही. She lives in the suburbs हे सुद्धा एक मुख्य वाक्य आहे and it is not dependent. So, these are the two independent clauses and these two independent clauses are connected here with a but. And what is but? It is a conjunction. We call it a coordinate conjunction. So, by using a coordinate conjunction, we join together two sentences and we form a compound sentence. So, there is a list of coordinate conjunction according to their relation in the sentence. Here are some coordinate conjunctions are presented for you. See what are they and where we use them. See, we use and when it is a part of addition. When it is a part of addition. When two equal sentences are connected, we use a coordinate conjunction and. For a contrast, when two opposite ideas or two different ideas are connected, you can use but or yet. We can use but or we can use a word yet. For a choice or option, we have or, nor. For a cause, why. So, to explain why, reason or cause, we use a coordinate conjunction for, and for a consequence or a result of we use so. So, it depends on the sentence. When two opposite ideas are presented and such two opposite ideas are mentioned and we want to connect them together, in case because there are contrast, because there is contrast, we use but or yet. So, here we have some list, here we have some list of coordinate conjunction that we use to connect two sentences. Now, see where to use but, or, for, so. Now, we take it one by one. The first is but. Here we take where to use a but. As I have told you, it is generally used to show a contrast between two clauses, where we use but to express a contrast. What is contrast? Opposite ideas. Contrast is opposite idea. जेव्हा दोन विरोधी गोष्टी, जेव्हा दोन विरोधी आयडियाज, कल्पना ज्या आहेत त्या व्यक्त केल्या जातात, त्यावेळेस आपण बटचा वापर करतो. I like living in the city, but my brother prefers living in a village. Now, you can see we have used here but to connect two sentences. The two sentences are like, I like living in the city. मला शहरात राहायला आवडते. My brother prefers living in the village. माझ्या भावाला गावात राहायला आवडते. Means he prefers living in the city. His brother prefers living in the village. So, living in the city and living in the village, these are the two opposite ideas. So, when such two opposite ideas are connected, we use but as a conjunction to connect two sentences. Now, or. Or is used to suggest an option or alternative. When it is option, we want to express or alternative or a choice. Here we use a word choice, this or that, option, this or that. In such cases, when we want to express an option or an alternative, we use or. Don't tell John about his birthday party or you will spoil the surprise. What is said here? Don't tell John about his birthday party. म्हणजे जॉनला त्याच्या बर्थडे पार्टीबद्दल सांगू नका. और यू विल स्पॉइल द सरप्राईज. आणि जर तुम्ही असे कराल तर तुम्ही पार्टी स्पॉइल करणार. म्हणजे देर इज एन ऑप्शन, चॉईस. व्हॉट इज द चॉईस? चॉईस इज दॅट डोंट टेल, or if you tell this you will spoil the party. When such an options or alternative is suggested, we use or when we form a compound sentence. And now third, so. This word is used to show the consequences or result of something. Consequences means parinam. So, when we express result of something, ज्याला आपण मराठीत परिणाम असे म्हणतो, तर ते व्यक्त करत असताना सोचा वापर केला जातो. लेट अस सी व्हॉट इज इन एक्झाम्पल. आय हॅव जस्ट ईटन डिनर सो आय एम नॉट हंग्री. सो आय एम नॉट हंग्री. द रिझल्ट ऑफ डिनर, नो, दॅट आय एम नॉट हंग्री. आय हॅव जस्ट ईटन डिनर म्हणजे तो म्हणतोय की मी आत्ताच डिनर घेतलेला आहे आणि म्हणून I am not hungry. Result of consequences of not taking food now because he has already taken the dinner. So, that is a result of dinner that now he is not hungry because his stomach is full. So, that is when we express result of something, we use a word so. Then fourth, and. Where to use and is used to express when two similar clauses or points are made. So, when there is an addition or two similar ideas are going to expressed, we use a word and. So, in such cases we use and. The taxi stopped at the train station and two men got out of it. See that? So, the taxi stopped at the train station is a one idea and two men got out of it. Two similar clauses or points are made. So, these are the two similar ideas. There is no opposition, no choice, no alternation, no result of. So, therefore, when such a two similar clauses are going to expressed, we use a word and to connect to sentence. And now, for is used to express the why in a situation, means cause. When we express a cause or a reason, it is a cause of. So, we use a word for. She needs to be home for her kids. So, when it is asked why she wants to go to home, then the answer is for her kids. So, for is used to explain the why. So, when it is to express a why, we use for. Then, nor. It is used about similar two atoms, but in the negative sense. So, when two atoms are presented, but they are presented in a negative sense, we use a word nor. It is generally used after a neither, nor is generally followed with neither. So, it is a construction neither nor. Just like we have some construction using so, that, to, not only but also. Same likewise, we have neither nor, either or. So, we use a word nor to connect two sentences when it has something in negative sense. She is neither tall nor fat. She is neither tall nor fat. So, here are negative sense, means two items are discussed, but they are discussed in a negative sense. Therefore, we have used a word nor to connect two sentences. And now, finally, seventh is yet, is used to show a contrast in spite of something. As we have used a word but is also used to express contrast, opposite idea. The likewise, we use yet to express contrast or an opposite idea, and here we have an example. She regrets having spoken to her friends like that, yet she hasn't apologized. She hasn't apologized. She regrets चा अर्थ होतो पश्चाताप करणे. Having spoken to her friend like that, म्हणजे ती मैत्रिणीसोबत ज्या पद्धतीने बोलली त्याबद्दल तिला पश्चाताप होता, परंतु तरी सुद्धा शी हॅजंट अपोलाइज, तरी सुद्धा तिने माफी मागितली नाही. सो येट इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस द कॉन्ट्रास्ट. आपण मराठीत जसं तरी सुद्धा हा शब्द वापरलेला आहे, त्या अनुषंगाने इथे या दोन अपोजिट आयडिया आहे की शी इज हॅव्हिंग रिग्रेट्स in her mind, but she hasn't apologized. So, these are the contrast ideas. So, when two contrast ideas are expressed, we use yet to connect two sentences. Now, see how to make a compound sentence. So, the only rule is here, the single rule is here to make a compound sentence, and that is by using coordinate conjunction. We use different or many coordinate conjunction, and we join two main clauses to make a compound sentence. And here we have a list of coordinate conjunction, and they are here we have the list of coordinate conjunction. What are they? And, but, or, otherwise, yet, not only but also, as well as, both and, else, otherwise, either or, neither nor, still, yet, nevertheless, however, hence, therefore, and for. We use them when we make a compound sentence. Now, see, there are two examples. The people praised their prince, they celebrated his deeds. The people praised their prince, म्हणजे लोकांनी त्याच्या प्रिन्सची स्तुती केली. दे सेलिब्रेटेड हिज डीड्स, आणि त्याच्या कामगिरीला त्यांनी साजरी केली, त्याची कामगिरी त्यांनी साजरी केली. सो दीज आर द टू इक्वल आयडियाज are used. So, therefore, we can use a word and to connect two sentences. Now, you can see that the two sentences are connected with the and. The people praised their prince and celebrated his deeds. Now, the second example, Sahadeva looked about it, he could see no one. And now, here we have used but to connect two sentences, because Sahadeva looked about him, he could see no one. सहदेवाने इकडे तिकडे बघितलं, खूप बघितलं, परंतु त्याला कोणीही दिसलं नाही. सो बघितले आणि दिसले नाही. These are the contrast ideas. Because they are two opposite ideas, we have used a word but to connect. So, the sentence is Sahadeva looked about him, but he could see no one. So, we have used but to connect two sentences. So, here we have used conjunction, different coordinative conjunction to connect two sentences, and by using such a coordinative conjunction we can make a compound sentence. So, remember a list of conjunction presented to you. So, that is it for today's class. Have a nice day.